Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
We just reached downtown and we see that JD Sports got sale. So we about to go inside. We got something at JD Sports. They got sale in there. Like $20, $30, $40. We're about to go to Foot Locker and pick up the sneakers that I ordered the other day. It's so noisy down here. Go. It was what, 110?
This one was, yeah, the same. They got different colors. I think I want this one. For $60? I was gonna get the big one though. So this is not bad. His size too.
Man, look it on. 5.5? Hey.
Yeah. 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 But
The ones I ordered for him. It came in. Person never knows. They're nice, right? I like it.
these Puma slippers. Hi. Oh, I thought it was in your way, sorry. I have a black one. Why this one not on sale though?
I don't know if I should get this color.
I like the black one. I don't know what to do. Sorry. I have a blue one, but the blue one is not on sale.
Still deciding.
I don't know, y'all. I don't know what to do. These are freaking cute. I just love the color.
A little Macy's. What about King's Plaza? Got a lot of rainbow purse. Come on, go. Oh, damn. Wait.
To show this party, after 1 year, that's a fear. That's right, take a chance on the dice. Money can't buy your love, cause it's full of price. Don't ever think, you know what's right. I'm only here for the night. You got a good time. Oh, I'ma see you again. Hey yo, check it out, Brooklyn. Brooklyn, yo, guess who's back? Hit me up, call me. I'm representing black people all across the world. Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, that's where I'm born. Taking my time to perfect the beat, cause the black guys matter to me. Yeah, representing black people all across the world. Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, that's where I'm born.
In the white bucket.
Taking my time to perfect the beat, cause the black guys matter to me.
In the bucket. Come.
That shit.
Let's see how much it is. This is summertime. No, not really. $25. Not bad. It's so bright. I got light ones. I came here for boots. Come on, let's go upstairs. Go. We're going upstairs. We gotta walk in these. I wish I could walk in those. Those are freaking cute. Oh my god, look at these. Oh Lord. $25% off. That's not a sale. That is not a sale. I see a pair of shoes I wanted. I saw them online. It was for $20. These are a nice pair of boots. These are nice. How much is it? They are $35. They have a string. So I think they're clearance. And rainbow. I don't see the shoes I saw online. I'm gonna find it though. I need to hurry up, I need to go to King's Plaza. I want to see what I'm looking for. Nice shoes. Oh, these are cute. They look better from afar. Yeah, okay. I just get excited just now. They look nice though. Hold on.
Just can't stand it. Oh, so cold. It is so cold just to imagine. Maybe I'm just like my father. Too old, just like my mother. I feel sorry. She said it's time. Scream at each other. It sound like tears cry.
Sun is out. I'm about to go to got Panda right there, but we ain't going. We want Burger King. And then we go to King's Plaza. So we hungry. Right here. All the dogs. I'm gonna order food. What's the bag, okay? What do you want? We have a chicken sandwich. This is the best. To me, this is one of Burger King's best sandwiches. It tastes so good. They be so juicy. Got me a Diet Coke and I got him a fruit punch. You know, he don't really drink juice like that. Dang, how much ketchup you gonna put? You didn't save no ketchup for me? Look, that's little boy. Took all the ketchup. Come on. Chicken chain. How much ketchup you took? You need to break that in half. Break it in half and eat it. Break it. Break it in half. Don't listen. Kids don't listen. Just finished eats. Now we're about to go to King's Plaza because I want to get some stuff for him before. I mean, this is the right time to buy some winter clothes for him or whatever. So I'm gonna go get some winter clothes for Kimani, and if I see something I like, I get something for myself too. Even though I just bought me a pair of Uggs. Come, Papa, let's cross. So the bus coming soon. What's that BBQ right there?
Next stop, Livingston Street and White Street.
We made the bus. So the ride is an hour.
Livingston Street and White Street.
1 hour. From downtown Brooklyn to King's Plaza. I'm gonna go home and then go over. It don't make no sense. That's just too much. Go straight there and get it over with. Oh yeah, I washed my hair. I just feel like leaving it out.
Come with a classic, they come running, you say just say it's a sleeper. The ends are red, the petty is real.
I'll go into the details real quick because they got sale. Let's go. Come on. 40% off. Let's see what they have in here.
Reside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Burlington is this way, but I know Burlington is packed. I am not going to Burlington. Let's go in Primark. We don't go in here and see what they have. That's really why I came here. I need a sweater to go with the sneakers I bought him. Oh, look at that ugly Christmas sweater. I got somewhere to go for an ugly Christmas sweater. $12. That's not bad. It's next month, but $18, $12. Then finally finished shopping. It's packed in here. Upstairs, downstairs. It's hella packed, so I'm about to go home. I'm tired. We've been here for 2 hours. It's time to go. I just bought from Primark. That's really where I came here. Oh, Primark, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. I didn't buy anywhere else. I went in other stores, but I didn't see nothing I like. I'm all crazy right now. Just reached back home from Kings Plaza, and I got a package. I know what it is. It says it's gonna come Monday, but it's supposed to be came today. So it's protein powder and some I saw in the powder. They look bigger in the picture on Amazon. These. Alright, so let me get this. I got 2 of them. 1 chocolate and 1 in vanilla. It don't feel full. It was on sale for $10, but it doesn't feel full. I'm opening it. Smells good. It's not full, like I said. It's a good amount, but not full. See? So farthest from the top is not full, but it smells good. So I'm about to make one. I'm about to make a poachy shit right now too. It smells good. So hopefully it tastes good. I didn't see no review on Amazon, so I'm just trying it. Yeah, so it's dairy-free, gluten-free, organic, vegan, non-GMO, and soy-free. Plant-based, okay. And I am going back to the gym tomorrow. Monday, starting fresh. And I just bought some sage because, let's say, it's needed. But look how small some is. it was on sale too. This was like what, $5.99. I thought it was gonna be bigger though, but whatever. No, should I open this one too? I'll open this one and see how it smells. But maybe I wanna try both of them. Like one day I use the chocolate, one day I use this one. Some of them just don't fill up. Like why not fill up? You don't like that. Nothing. You know, somehow bad. So this is like a meal replacement. You know, like when I feel like if you cook. Yeah, I will make a gym. Like when I come home after work, I'm gonna want to cook. I'm gonna go to gym. Just make this into my guy gym. Yeah. Yeah, like it smells though. For real, okay. Seriously? So, I'm gonna show you what I got today from Primark. I got some sweatshirts because you know winter coming up. So this was yeah. I think it's big for a size small, but that's one. And I got him this hat. Hat was 2 for $6. Okay, 2 for $6. Him back there. And I got him some socks, all black, because honestly the other rest was short ones, and there was like, how much the prices? I don't remember the prices, but this was a reasonable price I see for a good amount of socks. I'm gonna just say that. So 5 pair for $3.50. Can't go wrong with this. I got him this color because the sneakers that I picked up from Foot Locker today, not my battery being low. The sneaker that I picked up from Foot Locker today goes with it. Like, I never said, Kim, I don't think you ever wear something like this. What happened to the thing? Oh, the sticker came. Anyway, so yeah, this is a medium. I gotta say, this father don't dry as close, because you know when you dry material like this, it shrinks. So yeah. And then I got him another one, another pullover hoodie. This one was $13. So yeah. We have a black one already, so I just got him a gray one. This was, what size is this? This looks big. I think it's a medium. Listen, he's growing, so you know what? It's better if I get a medium than a small. Yeah, it's a medium. So yeah, this is what I bought for my papa. I gotta go back there and get him some more sweats though. I was just not trying to spend all my money up on one time. I like these sweats. Like, these is like, you know, like these. This is. Yeah, this is a size small, and this is it's $12. Why not? Oh, they're not tight. I think I should have got my medium, but the medium was looking big in the crotch area, so I was like, you know what? I think it's men, so like he's a teenager, so I think small is good enough for him. Even though I bought the sweats in medium, I mean the top. Well, the only one I got this one in small, because I don't think I saw medium in this one. Yeah, I don't think they had medium in this one, so I bought this one in small. But the rest I bought medium. Oh yeah, I'm sure the sneakers. So these are sneakers called White Castle. It's Puma. I went there Monday, and he told me I'm gonna pick it up Friday. Oh, was it Monday I went there? I don't remember what day I ordered it, but it was before. I think it was Monday. Or was it Tuesday? One of them. Anyways, so these are the sneakers, and it kind of can go with it. Yeah, it can. It could go with it. I know how to dress my child. One thing about me, I know how to dress my child. Okay, so yeah. Period. I think I could be a fashion designer, because I know how to dress Kimani. One thing up. Yeah, so this goes, you can see how it goes with it, right? It blends in with it. It goes with it. This part right here. And this kind of, you know, it goes with it. This is on sale for $50. Okay, he took out one pass this up. And then I said I need a different type of sneakers for him. It's a White Cast at the back. And I'm like, I need a different color sneakers because I keep buying black, like all black, or I'll buy like black and white, like white with red and blue or something. I never go with the solid colors, like crazy colors, like, well, it's not really crazy, but you know what I'm trying to say. This gonna go with it. I still gotta buy my pair of boots because it's winter. I only bought this because it was on sale. I was supposed to get my winter boot, and I saw this. So I was like, $50. Okay. Say less. All right, so the other shoes is in here. Put it back. Okay, so I bought this for my nephew. I don't know what to show y'all though. This is for his Christmas gift. Say hi.
Hi, Fla.
Okay. So this is for your cousin. I bought it for your cousin. I bought it. His battery is low, but we got gloves. 2 pair of gloves for $4. Okay. Yeah. One for me, one for Kimani. I think I have gloves already, but I could never find a glove, so I just buy it. But yeah, that's my little haul. That's my little haul that I got from Kingswell, downtown Brooklyn first, and then Kings Plaza. I thought you were sleeping, Kimani. You were so quiet. Why are you so quiet? You tired?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm so tired, man.
Okay, go to bed then, since you're so tired. I said, I'm so tired, man. Alright, let me get off here because Kimani tired. You ever I came to show y'all my Uggs that I bought. Even though it's like, what's today? Today's Wednesday. The 30th. November 30th. So, this is what I bought myself. That's all I bought myself. That's all I bought. I didn't buy anything else for myself. I honestly don't need nothing. So, but I need shoes. I need shoes. I need sneakers. I'm gonna give me a pair of sneakers still, but this, I have to get this. Like, alright, so the first pair of Uggs I bought, I don't remember what year it was. 2014 or 15. I'm gonna go with that. I bought the other ones, the regular ones with the button, with the one button at the side. I think it's called Bailey button. And yeah, I just washed my face. I didn't moisturize it because I was working out. But yeah, I bought the Bailey button, right? And you get one rip like right here at the front, and I didn't even go fix it. I just put it in the bin. Like literally, I just gave it away, and I paid over $100. Like I think it was $150. It was on sale.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
But honestly, it was a size 6, and it looked big on my feet. But this one fit so good, and it still had a little room. It still have a little room right here at the front. It still have a little room right here at the front. So yeah. But I'm excited to wear these because it's been years since I had a pair of Uggs. And honestly, I feel like I was gonna get the big one, the big brown one. I'll put it on the screen. Like I was gonna get it, but I was like, do I really? Like I'm not very. People say I'm cheap, but I feel like I'm not cheap. But I don't even care if people call me cheap anymore because I just feel like I'm spending my money how I want to spend my money, and it's reasonable for me. If I don't feel it's right, if I feel it's not worth it, I'm not buying it. Make your own body want to say. That's how I feel. Okay. So $60. Yeah, this is worth $60. The one that I sell for freaking over $100 or $200. Even though I thought about buying one, I was really thinking I should get it though. So, and I probably wouldn't even get it, to be honest. I was gonna go to Rainbows and get me a pair of boots. I swear that's what I was gonna do. Because I'm like, I'm not buying no damn Uggs, man. If that was the case, I would have been buying a pair of Uggs if I really wanted it. But I went to go pick up Kimani's shoes, and I saw it in there. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna pick up his sneakers that I bought for him the following week. And then I bought my nephew a pair of boots for Christmas, for his Christmas birthday. And I got my nephew this. I'm not showing y'all though. I can't show y'all. His dad didn't see it, so I can't show y'all. My brother didn't see it, so why would I show y'all? I got him this cute little, it's so freaking cute. Yeah, I just had to get it for him. I'm like, oh my god, it's gonna look so cute on his feet. Those type of boots, it's like, the boots that I bought is like so freaking cute because I used to buy Kimani's on same boots. Well, not when he was younger, but around this age. Because I found them. Because once I started buying Timbs for Kimani, I'm like, I gotta find something, another, what do you call that word? Like find something else for him to wear, because I'm not buying Timberlands, not for his size, because he's growing, and when he's growing, the price is going up. I am not paying $200 for a pair of shoes. Okay, I'm not doing it. So I always go on Finish Line. Finish Line always have sale. It don't matter if it's a holiday or not, they just always have sale. And I go on Finish Line and just looking for finding my pair of boots right now. Because I'll be there. I'll be damned if I pay $200 for a pair of boots. Then he gonna have to. Then I'm gonna have to get him another pair of boots next year. No, I don't got money like that. I do not have money like that. Nope, not doing it. Listen, I'm a reasonable person. I think before I buy stuff. Okay, I don't care. Nobody want to think. Call me cheap. I am cheap. I am Mrs. Cheap. I'm like the guy. No, he worse than me. He worse than me. No, I'm not that cheap. I would say, you know the guy on Winium? On Everybody, the father on Everybody Acres. That man is cheap. That man is cheap. But I'm not like that. But anyways, but this is it. Pair of Nikes. But yeah, back to these. They fit just right on my feet. I love these. I'm about to go down here see if they still have it. If they still have it, get the yellow ones. Cause I do need, for real, I need shoes. If there's one thing I need is shoes. I don't need clothes. I don't need a jacket either. I need to just go fix it. But yeah, I need shoes. Shoes is one thing I definitely need. Bam! In your face. Yeah, today's Wednesday. 2 more days. I was gonna go to the gym, but I started looking out inside. I don't want to be around people. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm talking about. I just don't want to be around people right now. I just want to I don't know. I'm just a very moody person. I don't want to be around people. Not in the cooking mood tonight, so I have a smoothie. Oh. Almond milk, banana, pineapple, sea moss. And I'll put some protein powder. This is vanilla flavor. I bought chocolate and vanilla. The chocolate one kind of tastes alright. Why am I doing this and I have a spoon in there? Whatever. No, I'm not putting a lot. I think I put too much chocolate in the first time in there. When I did the other one, I think I put too much in there. This is only ice because this is not even cold. Am I the only one that's washing my ice? I wash my ice. I wash everything when I take it out somewhere. Like if I take out spoon out the thing. Oh. Yeah, well, this ice don't bring germs, but listen, I still wash it off. I don't play that. I do not play that. Alright, I think that's enough. Oh, should I put some peanut butter in there? No, I'm just gonna taste weird with the pineapple. Yeah, I made a banana on the thing. I made a protein shake the other Sunday. Oh yeah, Sunday when I came home? Yeah, Sunday. And I think I put too much protein powder in there because maybe because it's my first time trying it. Oh, because it's organic. It's organic. But anyways, yeah, it tastes a little. It tastes. I think I put too much in there. But I put 1 scoop like it said, so I don't know. Maybe I gotta get used to the flavor. I think I do gotta get used to the flavor. But anyways, let's do this. sandwiches they always give out at work. Or give a sandwich when they having an event or whatever. I got a vegan sandwich today from work. So it's, I don't know what type of cheese it is. But that's all it look. And I added the avocado just now. Tastes good. I don't know what kind of cheese it is, but it tastes good. That's a little windy. But yeah. That's good. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna taste this now. I taste the powder. Pineapple. This is alright. It's not. I think I just have to get used to it. I was gonna use the about Lasco, but Lasco got too much sugar in there for me.